Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. Rudra classes IELTS PTE. Reading collocations. Important for reading fill in the blanks. Changing attitudes. Changing nature. Changing needs. Changing world. Chemical reaction. Civil society. Class consciousness. Classic example, classic study. Classic text. Please like and share video. Classical theory. Clear indication. Clear relationship. Clear statement. Clear structure. Clearly demonstrated. Clearly established. Clearly evident. Clearly identified. Clearly important. Please subscribe YouTube channel. Clearly related. Clearly understand. Clearly visible. Climate change. Close contact. Close proximity. Close relationship. Close scrutiny. Closely allied. Closely associated. Closely connected. Closely linked. Closely resemble. Closely tied. Closer examination. Closer inspection. Closer look. Cognitive ability. Cognitive skills. Collaborative learning. Collect data. Collect information. Collective action. Collective memory. Combined effect. Come into conflict. Come into contact. Commercial activity. Commercial transaction. Commit a crime. Commit an offense. Common ancestor. Common approach. Common assumption. Common culture. Common error. Common feature. Common goal. Common method. Common source. Common theme. Common usage. Commonly accepted. Commonly associated. Commonly called. Commonly encountered. Commonly found. Commonly known. Commonly used. Communicate effectively. Comparative analysis. Comparative research. Comparative study. Compelling argument. Compelling evidence. Compelling reason. Competitive market. Competitive pressure. Complete a task. Complex area. Complex interaction. Complex issue. Complex pattern. Complex problem. Complex process. Complex system. Comprehensive account. Comprehensive review. Comprehensive system. Conceptual framework. Concluding remarks. Concluding section. Conduct research. Conduct a study. Conduct a survey. Conduct an analysis. Conduct an interview. Conflict resolution. Consider an aspect. Consider the impact. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel.